Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers. The Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, Sweet Pea Papers Junk Journal and Tutorials and More Facebook group. The Sweet Pea Papers part is not on there. It's just that I own that group. And another group that I own is Junk Journal and Paper Crafts. I'm telling you, there's too many. There's 3. And I'm recording this video to show you how to record the screen if you're going to do a drawing for your website. Now, the first part of this is going to be a little bit longer, but once you do it, you won't have to do it again. You'll be able to just do the part for the drawing, okay? So now the easiest software, and this is what I use on my other computer to record my webcam feed when I'm doing my overhead tutorial videos. And the software is called Debut, and it's by NCH Software. And you go to nchsoftware.com/capture/index.html. And I will put that on the screen for you, and I'll put it in the text below. Now, when you get to here, you can download it for free to try it out, but you can only record a video 10 minutes long. Now, my drawing videos are an average of 4 to 5 minutes at the most, and that's if I get talking. So you could use the free version forever, I'm sure, for just drawings. I recommend buying it. Let's click on this so you can see the prices, because it has several. Now, you can buy the full software for $39.95. Now, I use, for rendering and editing my videos, I use Camtasia, and Camtasia is almost $200. So, and I've been using it since 2004, so I've been upgrading it for about $100 every 3 or 4 years, and that's a great deal because it's the best and most premier software, and that's at TechSmith, TechSmith.com. If you're going to do a lot of recording, screen recording forever, you can use either one. I use Camtasia, like I said, because that's what I've been using since 2004, before this software came out. All right. Now, I use this, like I said, on my other computer, and instead of paying $39.95, which is silly, but I pay $388 a month. And this is for non-business use right here. This is the option you would choose instead, because you're not using it for your business. You're just using it to make your YouTube videos. So that would be $39.95. It's on sale from $60. But I use the $3.88 a month option, which is billed every 3 months at $11.64. Okay, it's gone up just a little bit because I was paying $9 something, and I think I still am. I think I got grandfathered in. So pick one of those, because that way you have unlimited time, and if you're going to record your screen more often than just doing drawings, then that's the option you want to go with. Now, in Debut, you can actually edit your video, add an intro screen and an outro screen at the end. You can add effects and things like that, but I don't use those features in Debut, so, I don't know. So now we're going to go back to the download screen, and I'm just going to download the free version and show you how to install it. And like I said, this part you're only going to need to do once. I don't have it installed on this computer, so we're just going to, there it went. And I just put it in Downloads. I download a lot of stuff. Okay, and it's downloaded, so I just click up here and install the software. Accept the license terms. Now, I'm not sure about opening this while I'm recording the screen. So hopefully it will let me do it at the same time. Yes. So it's set to record the webcam. So what you want to do is, or is it set to record the desktop? I think it's set to record the desktop. You can see the little audio going. Let me show you. You're going to click on More. You can click on Tools. And then you're going to go to Audio Options. You want to record your microphone. Now, this one says Yeti stereo microphone because I have a really, really nice external microphone that's like doing podcasts or something. But you would select your default microphone and have your webcam pulled up. It figures as pops down in the top of your computer so you can use the mic, or just have your webcam plugged in so it can use the mic from that. Okay, so you're going to leave it like that. You're going to go to Video. And this is going to be your integrated screen capture. And it's going to be at 30 frames per second. That's what you want. So just leave it like it is. And then click OK. Then you'll notice your audio is working. Just click Record to record your screen. When you're done recording, just click Stop, which is right here. I'm not going to hit it because I don't want to mess up this recording. And then when you're done recording, you just, it'll automatically save it and put it in a debut folder, which is going to be in your video folder. Let me show you where it is. Okay. I'm making a little book for kids. All right. So you're going to go to Video. I'm going to go to Debut. And I don't have any recordings in here, but if you did, you would click on it once and rename it whatever drawing and then the date. Okay? Just whatever the name of your drawing is, and then save it. And that's how you do the screen recording. Okay? Now, that gets you ready. And we're going to talk about something else you need to do ahead of time if you're going to do it the way that I do it. I open Excel, and I have a fresh sheet open just to show you what I do. Across the top, I put number, then tab over, and I put name, tab, and then winner. Okay. Then I select those three. Well, no. Actually, then I type in 1, 2, 3. Then I select 1, 2, and 3. And then move your cursor until it looks like this. Oops. Until it looks like that. And then go down. And I go, because my drawings are usually a little big, I go down to 250. And what you're doing is you're auto-filling. You just don't see the numbers yet. but we're just going to go to 250 for this illustration, which is really going to be 251 because we used the first row for their name and the number. You know, we filled in that top row. So you scroll back to the top. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Start at the bottom, and you have 3 rows, right? So you go 1, 2, 3 rows, you highlight them, and then you go all the way back to the top. It's okay if extra ones highlight because we'll fix it when we get to the top. So then when you go with your 3 rows, and then you go and you click on home. Now you can do this with a Google Doc, not Doc, but the Google version of Excel, and you can do it for free. You don't have to buy Word or rent Word or whatever. Okay, then you're going to select, with the drop-down menu, you're going to select all borders, and you see how that puts the borders around so you can see it better. And you're going to make this one a little bit wider for the names. If you don't make it a little bit wider, you can double click right there when the arrow looks like that and make it the width of the name once you've put a few names in there. This is to enter what you're, you put winner 1, winner 2, winner 3, or just 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you're going to have names here. Now I'm just filling them in just to show you for an example when we do the drawing. Okay, so we're going to have 10 names in our drawing. Well, you better make more. You're not going to have to do this autofill because you're going to be typing their names in as they enter the drawing. So let's do 50. That'll give us a better that will give us a better drawing amount. Okay. So now once you've set this up once, then label this, right click on it, rename, and then we'll just put drawing 1 for this example, because I'm going to delete this sheet when I'm done. And then you're all set. So you only have to do this once for each drawing, or as what I do is once the drawing's over, I just delete all the names and all the winner entries, and then I've got a list pre-populated with the numbers and the columns to use for the next drawing. Now, in this case, Mandy, you're going to need to make 3 of these, or 2 because they overlap, because you have a week drawing and then they have a week to claim. So you need to know the people that won the first drawing while the second drawing is being recorded, while you're writing names in. So you'll need 2 sheets. I'm making this for my friend Mandy, and I thought I would make it as a public video how-to. Okay, so now you're going to make this so it fits half the screen. Then you're going to go to the screen recorder software, the number rotator software or page, and that's at calculator.net/random-number-generator.html. That link will be below as well, okay, so that you can go to it. Then you've got 50 names, so you're going to put in 50 because that's your top number that you want it to go to, and the bottom number is going to be 1. Then when you want to generate your new winner, you just click Generate, and the number 7 is your first winner. Oh, I forgot to make this smaller. So then you go to number 7, and there's their name, and then in the winner column, you put winner 1 or 1, or, you know, however you want to record that they're the winner. Now, what I do when I'm scrolling through to make it easier, I take this and I fill it with yellow just so I can see it easier. You don't have to do that, but that's what I do. Then you come back over here and you click generate again, because you're going to have 3 winners. Number 33, and you come over here to number 33 and you type in winner number 2. Now, I'm not going to highlight that one in yellow because I just showed you how to do that as an example if you want to. Now, our last winner, we generate that number. You see how it can be quick. So we go to 25. And you type in winner 3. Now you know what the names of the winners are. You can just scroll up and down, right? And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to save your document. So you save your results. Oh, by the way, my mouse is 1 step bigger than normal because of my vision. I kind of keep losing it on the screen. Your cursor will be 1 size smaller. It won't be so fat. All right, once you've got all of these and your screen recorder's going, then you go ahead and say their names one more time. And then you can go to your screen recorder software and click stop. And it will save the video for you. Then you go back here to your debut folder and you'll have a file with the date and your name. Click on it once to rename it and call it whatever you want. You know, drawing or the date, which today is 2/20/25 dash whatever the name is, Beautiful Blues dash drawing 1, and then it'll be MP4. Okay? And that's all you do with that. Now, if you're using Debut to edit your video, I'm not sure exactly how to do that. They've got tutorial videos there on how to do that. Okay? So, let me see what I've got. Mark winners, and you rinse repeat 3 times. You stop the recording, name the file. You edit the intro and the outro. You add those into your video in Debut. Then you render your video in Debut, which turns it into another MP4, but it has the intro and outro screen. And, yeah. And then you upload it to YouTube. And you post it in your group, the link. I go to Camtasia. I go to Canva, and I generate a screen image that says we have a winner, and I save that, and then I use that in the post. That's optional, and if you know how to use Canva, even if you don't, it's very simple using the templates. And edit one that you know how to use. I'm not going to go into that in this video because that would make it super duper long. And then, like I said, you just post it in your group or groups, wherever you're going to post the winner URL from YouTube, just like you would any other YouTube recording. And then you're done. And that's it. So, like I said, the longest steps are setting up Debut the very first time. Like I said, if you use the free version, you can only record 10 minutes. Then, and it'll stop by itself. And then you, setting up your drawing in Excel are the 2 longest things. And they're not very long at all. You know, the installing and setting up. of Debut. Now, if you make changes or whatever in the screen recording settings, you have to go back and reset them to what you want to record your screen. If you're going to only use Debut to record your screen, don't make any changes to any of the default settings. And if you don't have an external microphone and you're going to use the mic from your built-in webcam, then don't change the audio settings either. I just wanted to show you how, in case you needed to record your screen. So that's how easy it can be to hold a drawing online, and by using a free website. And this is at calculator.net. And they have all kinds of different number things, okay, that you can use. But I just use the randomizer for drawings. So, like I said, that's how easy it can be to do it with potentially free software. If you use the free version of Debut and make a drawing less than 10 minutes, use Google Excel, whatever the equivalent is for that, Google Sheets or something it's called, and then just render the video and then upload it to YouTube, and that's free as well. So you can do the whole thing for free if you want. Okay, well, that's the end of this video, and I will see you in the next Facebook/YouTube/junk journal tutorial video. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.